Well, hello there everybody, and hey guys, how you doing? I want to tell you what just happened. It was like the scariest thing ever. I almost had a heart attack. So I had my air conditioner running, my AC, my 12-volt AC, and maybe you could see at the back there. Okay, that tube there. Okay, and that's where all the cold air comes out. And you know, I'm sitting in front of it and I'm staying cool. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, oh my goodness, I smell something burning. And my heart just dropped. And I'm thinking, wait a sec, maybe it's electrical. Maybe something's burning in my van, right? And I turn everything off. I go out, like I'm looking around. I'm like, open the back door, and I'm in a panic here. And you know, I'm on my lunch right now. And then I'm like, wait a sec here. It's outside. It's not in my van. It's outside. You know where I was? Like literally about a couple of 100 meters away from me is a coffee roasting company, a coffee company. you can't imagine how worried I was. I was like, what the heck? No, not now, not on my break, you know. So anyway, lessons learned. You know, be aware of where you are, I guess. Well, I mean, I didn't know I was in an area where there was a coffee roasting company. Anyway, just to be sure, I've got my fan running instead. I turned off my AC just in case, you know what I mean? But so far it's been about 10-15 minutes, and I figure, you know, if this thing is burning, I would know by now. And I do have a fire extinguisher, and I have a first aid kit, and I have those, you know, and I have a smoke detector and all that stuff. So yeah, so that's the thing that happened today. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to post this because I feel really silly. But I think it's important to post it because it's one of those things that's happened while I'm in my van, and I think it's kind of funny as well. So, you know what? If you're seeing this, I most likely posted it. Yeah. And finally, if you like the video, please upvote it, like it. If you think my channel is some imaginary world or universe, or somehow even in this universe, if it's worthy, please subscribe. You know, I'm gonna post more stuff, and hopefully more interesting stuff. Well, you know, I'm just gonna post stuff that I think, you know, is important, because part of the reason why I am posting is because, you know, my mom watches this. She's my biggest fan, and she can see what I'm doing and all that stuff, what I'm up to. Although I do keep in touch with her on a regular basis. The other thing is, I am going to be doing some updates and upgrades to this build. I won't mention my roof, even though right now that's my favorite part. I am so glad I did this crazy roof. It's just brought everything out, and I noticed there were a couple of YouTube videos that came out in the past few days about how to, like, you know, put together your own roof or how to install a roof, and they look really good. And if I can, I'll post them up as well, because I think they did a fantastic job. And some of the content on YouTube in terms of building out a van is just so good. You know, that's how I learned. You know, I just watched YouTube videos, and from that kind of figured everything else out. I didn't think I could do any of this stuff, but I ended up doing it. So it's got to mean something, right? Okay guys, thanks very much, and thanks for visiting my channel, and thank goodness everything was okay. I feel silly, but I want to tell you, you have no idea. I was like panicking. I feel silly, but it's good. It's all good. Yeah, so I've got the fan running just in case, right? Thanks. We'll see you later.
And there you have it. Please support my channel by commenting and subscribing. It's free, and it can help you with your own tiny home build, as I will be giving out free tips and tricks on how you can make it happen. And if you believe someone else may benefit, please share the video of my curated playlist.